If you're interested in looking at biplanes, I can recommend the Duxford Air Museum collection, which can be seen in action in my video here. The biplane offers several advantages over conventional monoplane designs. They permit lighter wing structures, low wing loading and a smaller span for a given wing area. However, interference between the wings effectively increases the drag, and biplanes generally need a lot of bracing. This one actually looks faster than the jet that's in the background, but clearly it's closer. So if we go inside, the second video clip shows a de Havilland Airco. And the de Havilland is a British single-engine biplane bomber that was developed and deployed during the First World War. It's not an amazing plane and was a little bit unreliable because of its engines, but it was quite useful. And you can see as well, as we pan across, there is a rear-mounted machine gun in the image. And when I go to the still, you can see that would be pretty devastating if you were behind the plane. And there you can see on the still, can't you, that it's there'll be two operatives and one will be the machine gunner. Now this very cool sandy colour plane is from the Royal Aircraft Factory called an RE-8 and is a British two-seat biplane reconnaissance and bomber aircraft of the First World War. It remained the standard British reconnaissance and artillery observation aircraft from mid-1917 to the end of the war. The blue and yellow Boeing Stearman PT-1 is an American biplane formerly used as a military trainer aircraft, of which at least 10,000 were made in the United States during the 1930s and 40s. Now the final plane is a SPAD-13 French biplane fighter aircraft from the First World War, and this is a replica SPAD which was built in Germany and flown in the United Kingdom since 1978. Painted as S4513, it represents an aircraft flown in 1918 by Captain Rickenbacker, who was an amazing pilot from the United States Army Air Service in France. So, if you've enjoyed my short videos on biplanes at Duxford, please like and subscribe.